Hey everyone, welcome to your channel. In today's video we are going to fix Microsoft Visual C DLL error step by step. So don't go anywhere and stay with me until the end of this video. You don't want to miss a thing. At first open your browser and search Microsoft Redistributable Visual C++ and open the official Microsoft website. Scroll down and download both x86 and x64 versions. This error might be happen because of an app missing DLL file or even outdated driver. After finishing download, open file and select that you are agree with the agreement and click on next until the setup finishes. And boom, error is gone. Thanks to watch this video to the end. If you have any problem, comment below and I will guide you personally. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon.